What's up, guys? Your boy Trema. It was a new Toyota bike track. I didn't get to do but one lap on this one, so let me show you the full review. So here's where you start. Let me find me stick to the starting point at. Everybody just lines up right there. Then you might have to put your front. You're gonna put your front wheel in that ditch right there. You know, line put front wheel right there. Say And after that, you can either go over it, and then after that, like go up and ride it into the burn. Whoops, and triple, or you can either just go into the and skip that, just go triple, or it's like a two-way on that one. And then just go in whoops, and now there's no two-way, because then I might put some rounds right there, so we're only going like one space. So yeah, so but then it's like turning right here into the triple, to the first jump, triple it, burn. Then after that, double into the finish, and then after that, you do that all over again. So let's do like a relay race. That's just a demonstration. And there's the finish. Yeah. Last lap. Yeah, he wins it. Yeah. Now, peace out, guys. It's my new Toyota bike track part 2. Peace out. Love y'all.